Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. Welcome to this presentation on DTC P1890-00, related to the CVT Speed Control System in the Honda CR-V 2023 and newer models. This diagnostic trouble code indicates a problem that occurs when the Transmission Control Module, TCM, detects a discrepancy between the target and actual drive pulley speed. The CVT, or Continuously Variable Transmission, is designed to adjust the power transfer seamlessly, optimizing fuel efficiency and performance. When driving in specific modes, drive, sport, low, L, or reverse, R, any abnormalities identified by the TCM trigger this code. Understanding the implications of this DTC is critical for maintaining vehicle performance and compliance with Honda's engineered specifications. We will explore a detailed guide for troubleshooting this specific code to assist technicians and car owners alike in addressing this issue effectively. DTC P1890 refers to an issue within the CVT Speed Control System in the Honda CR-V. This system is responsible for managing how power is transmitted through the vehicle's continuously variable transmission. The key components involved in this error include the TCM, which stands for Transmission Control Module. This electronic unit monitors the vehicle's performance by comparing the target drive pulley speed, what the vehicle should ideally achieve, against the actual drive pulley speed. When operating in drive, sport, low, or reverse, if a disparity is detected within a certain range, the TCM triggers this DTC to alert the driver or mechanic to a potential problem. The location of the TCM is typically mounted within the engine compartment, making it crucial for proper operation to ensure smooth shifting and overall vehicle performance. There are several possible causes for the activation of DTC P1890. One common factor is sensor failure, where the speed sensors that feed information to the TCM might not be functioning correctly. This can lead to incorrect data being reported, thus triggering the DTC. Another cause might be wiring issues. Damaged or corroded electrical connections can disrupt communication between components. Lastly, the transmission itself could be malfunctioning, affecting the drive pulley speed, which could stem from internal wear or issues within the CVT design. Each of these potential causes should be evaluated carefully during the troubleshooting process, as they can significantly impact the vehicle's drivability if left unaddressed. When DTC P1890 is present, drivers may notice several symptoms. One of the more immediate effects is erratic acceleration. The vehicle might not respond smoothly to throttle inputs, leading to unexpected behavior while driving. Additionally, users may observe general transmission performance issues, such as slipping gears or a lag in shifting, making for a less than optimal driving experience. Finally, the check engine light will likely illuminate, signaling the need for diagnostic inspection. Ignoring these signs can lead to more severe transmission issues over time, emphasizing the need for prompt maintenance and inspections whenever this DTC appears. The first troubleshooting step for DTC P1890 involves starting the engine to prepare for testing. Ensuring that the vehicle is in a safe environment for testing is vital. Next, the technician should conduct a test drive with the shift lever in the drive D position. This is important because the TCM specifically monitors the drive pulley speed when engaged in this mode. During the test drive, it's crucial to accelerate slowly, allowing the vehicle to reach a speed of 37 miles per hour or 60 kilometers per hour on a flat road. This speed is a benchmark established for effective troubleshooting, as it falls within the operational parameters that the TCM monitors. The vehicle should maintain this speed for at least a minute, which means careful attention to the environment and surrounding traffic is also necessary. while maintaining the vehicle speed of 37 miles per hour, 60 kilometers per hour. The next step is to closely observe the vehicle's behavior. During this phase, any irregularities in how the CVT functions should be noted, including unusual noises or performance issues. Once the vehicle is brought back to a stop, the technician should then proceed to check for any stored error codes once more. This is an essential step, as it confirms whether the DTC P1890 remains present post-testing. If the DTC reappears, the technician must revisit their previous findings, carefully examining the identified causes and symptoms in a more detailed manner. Initial observations during the test drive can provide critical clues into the underlying issue that may be causing this DTC. After addressing the issues indicated by DTC P1890, the next crucial step is final repair verification. This process ensures that all necessary repairs and replacements have been completed effectively. To do this, the technician should perform a test drive once again under the same conditions that initially triggered the DTC. This helps verify that the vehicle now operates correctly, without any transmission issues. According to Honda's diagnostic protocols, it is essential to monitor for any return of the DTC during this final phase. If the problem recurs, further investigation will be needed. Additionally, once confirmed that the repairs have succeeded, clearing the DTC from the system is necessary to reset the vehicle's onboard diagnostics. Preventive maintenance is essential in promoting the longevity and smooth operation of the Honda CR-V's CVT. Regular component inspections, particularly of the speed sensors and electrical wiring associated with the TCM, can catch issues before they escalate into serious problems. Addressing any minor inconsistencies or warning signs promptly can save time. Worn internal components are harder and often more expensive to replace. Additionally, ensuring that the transmission fluid levels are maintained according to Honda specifications is paramount, as this fluid is crucial for proper function. Conducting routine diagnostic scans can help identify any DTCs early on, enhancing the overall reliability of the vehicle. To conclude, understanding DTC P1890 related to the CVT Speed Control System is vital for proper vehicle maintenance. Effective troubleshooting methods must be followed to identify the exact cause of the issue, as it may range from sensor failures to transmission malfunctions. The step-by-step approach provides a systematic way to confirm the diagnosis and ensure correct repairs. Preventive maintenance is equally important. By regularly checking components and addressing early symptoms, owners can significantly enhance the lifespan and performance of their Honda CR-V. Ultimately, awareness and diligence regarding this DTC can greatly contribute to smoother driving experiences, aligning with Honda's commitment to quality and reliability. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.